2 drinks until it's time to do this. Thank you so much for this. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready. I really don't even need for your Joseph's out there giving me crap.
You have meeting time.
And I don't eat 3 weeks. Okay, you're not gonna have any trouble here. So, good evening, everyone. Good evening. I'm so honored to be here tonight to toast a woman who proves that age is just a number and punctuality is just a suggestion. Yes, I'm talking about Anna Rao, our fearless, fabulous, foul-mouthed leader. We are celebrating Anna, who is turning 60, although based on her energy, attitude, and ability to scare the hell out of grown professionals, I would have guessed eternal. Now let's get this out of the way. Yes, Anna is turning 60, but don't let that number fool you. She's still got more fire, more sass, and more F-bombs in her than a sailor on shore leave. I mean, seriously, how does someone manage to swear that much and still be beloved by both co-workers and customers? You know, most people build trust with their customers by being reliable and consistent. Anna does it by dropping F-bombs like they're confetti. Anna has been in home health sales more than 20 years. She built an empire. One referral, one terrified intake staffer, one emotionally damaged admission nurse at a time. She's successful, competitive, and honestly, a little scary. You know I ain't lying, girl. She's earned the nickname Mighty Mouse. Not just because she's short, but because she's small, fast, and a little dangerous if provoked. Now, Anna is, let's just say, passionately persuasive. Others might say pushy. Did you hear me? She's not listening. Others might say pushy. But when she needs that referral and it's the end of the month, you're sure as hell gonna give her that referral or seriously regret it. And let's give a shout out to Diane Trigestad, that brave soul who hired Anna to come to FEMA with 0 sales experience. Just confidence, charisma, and the vocabulary of an HBO special. I did get a little help from ChatGPT. Okay, whatever. Diane now says, and I quote, "That bitch is the best hire I ever made." Ah, yes, bitch. Her second most favorite word, right behind the F-bomb. And if you're lucky, she calls you that. That's how you know she likes you. Probably. Now, that woman has taste. Designer purses? Check. Jewelry that could blind you in direct sunlight? Absolutely. Uh-oh. She may curse like a sailor, but she sparkles like a queen. I have to say, Anna makes work fun. Most of the time. She's hilarious, fearless, and makes everything fun. Unless she turns into a goddamn control freak and she starts cracking the whip. Can we even say slave driver anymore? Let's just say she's the reason that all the intake staff has stress dreams. Yeah. Her love for her family is unmatched. She's an incredible mother, daughter, wife, and the world's proudest Gigi. Now this is true, and this is so Anna. A co-worker was bragging once. You know what's coming. I love this story so much. A co-worker was bragging once that her 1-year-old could say, "Dad, Dad." Anna casually dropped that her 1-year-old grandson could name all the planets, including Uranus. That's true. The poor mom. She quit her job to stay home full-time and spend hundreds on flashcards and baby sign language classes. And Andre is over there giving TED Talks on the solar system. That was so awesome. That kid's in therapy for years. Anna doesn't just show up, she dominates. But beneath all the fire and ferocity is one of the kindest, most generous people I've ever known. If you're going through something, whether it's grief, financial stress, or just a rough time, Anna is the first person to show up. With food, money, prayers, hugs, or all four. She shows up the way few people ever do. Anna, you're a powerhouse. You've changed lives, fought hard, loved harder, and dropped more F-bombs than Quentin Tarantino. It's been a privilege working beside you these past 11 years. I love you like a sister. Here's to 60 more years of fashion, fierce love, and fearless referrals. Happy birthday, you beautiful, badass bitch.